Mighty Croster.
Let's witness the pilots exhibit the graceful yet very challenging maneuver we call the low and slow. And now, feel the flow of the F-16s as they muscle glide in full afterburn. We call this dazzling move the Miracle.
Air Force, your Air Force. The state government is proud to support this air show, and it will do until 2025, such as the benefits of the Victorian-based global aerospace industry and the people involved in the exciting world of aerospace development and manufacturing. The Victorian government warmly welcomes this global activity of Australia's aerospace industry.
With the planned introduction of 12 EA-18G Growlers in 2018, the RAF will have an airborne electronic capability which will be able to disrupt and flag a range.
We are now 7 weeks away from the landing at Gallipoli 100 years ago. What you're about to see are aircraft of type that played a vital role in air observation, air attack of enemy positions prior to the Gallipoli landing. In short, the 36 days prior to April 25. The author of 36 days prior to the Gallipoli landing is with me at the moment, Hugh Dolan, and Hugh Dolan, Hugh Goodman. Good morning, Hugh. In fact, this day, 100 years ago,